In this Pawns.app review, I'm going to be showing you guys if you can really make money sharing your internet, and also if you can make money by completing surveys, offers, and also playing games. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if this app is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software, and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. It's a free affiliate marketing guide. So basically how pawnsapp works, so initially it started as an internet sharing app. So you basically make money for every minute that you share your internet. And also it started like that, then they introduced surveys, offers, and also games. So these are some of the ways you could be making money. And if you go to the internet sharing, you can see that you could be making money, up to 27 per GB of shared internet. So that's what they are claiming, and they are telling you guys that you could be making up to $140 every single month if you do this. But to be honest guys, you cannot make that much money. It is a legitimate website, but still $140 per month is a lot of money. You could even imagine $140 just sharing internet. It doesn't happen that way, and this calculator over here is not that correct. If you spent like 8 hours every single day, you could be making like $3 per month. To be honest guys, if you are from an English speaking country, like the US, UK, Canada, Australia, if you're from these countries, you could be potentially making like $3 to $5 every single month with internet sharing. If you're not from an English speaking country, it could be around, if you're from Asia, it could be around $1 to $2. That's the maximum you could be making money with sharing your internet. It's not like this, you can't be making $140 per month, but still $3 to $5 on passive income every single month. If you don't really worry about it, I think it's pretty good. But this is a bit misleading because people think they could really make $140. It doesn't work that way. But I'm going to tell you guys how much you could be making with all of these three combined by the end of the video. Now let's go to surveys. So in the survey section, they are saying that you could be earning up to $15 per day from surveys, which is not true. Surveys also pay very less, but it pays more than internet sharing. So if you're from an English speaking country, you could be making anywhere around maybe like $3 to $4, maybe $2 to $3 every single day if you're from an English speaking country. But if you're from an Asian countries, you could be making like $1 to $2 every single day. Sometimes it's a few cents if you're an Asian, or if you're not from an English speaking country like Thailand, Philippines, and countries like that. But you could be making little bit money here and there. And also if you look at the calculator, if you are from an English speaking country, and there is also qualification for, you couldn't be qualifying for every single survey. Suppose there's like 5 surveys, you could be qualifying for just 3 surveys every single day. And if you take about if you're from an English speaking country, you could be getting up to 7 surveys per day, like 3 times. You could be earning around $10 per month, which is actually pretty high if you consider for survey website. And if you're from a place like India, you could be getting around 1 to 2 surveys, which is also high. Sometimes you may not get any surveys. And let's say if you get to take 3 every single week, you could be earning like $3 per month. So this is like little accurate. That's the maximum you could be making with surveys. And the other way you could be making money is through games. So this is the place where you could be making like more money, or this pays the best money, I would say. So there's 2 ways that you could be making money with Pawns.app in the gaming section. The first way is with Playtime. So you might all know what Playtime is. So Playtime has partnered with Pawns.app, and if you ask me how much money you could be making with Playtime, it's actually for every minute you are going to be getting certain points which you could be converting into cash. But the problem is that the more you play on this app, the lesser the points that you're going to be making. So on average with playtime, you could be making around 20 cents per hour. So that's that's very less if you actually consider it. You could be making 10 to 20 cents every single hour that you play. But if you're from an English speaking country, you could be getting up to 30 cents, but it really depends. It's the sweet spot is anyway around 10 cents to actually 30 cents. And the other way you could be making money is through offers. So basically you download offers and you can be making like a little bit more money. I'll tell you an example. For example, if you download a game and if you get to level 100, you could be potentially making like $10 on that single offer that you complete. Maybe the mission is on to get to level 50 for certain app, and you might get to $50 for that single offer that you complete. So basically in the playtime and downloading offers, playtime doesn't pay that much, but downloading offers can get you a little bit more money. It could actually pay very well if you actually play consistently. So if you spend like 3 to 4 hours per day, you could be potentially making around $5 to $10, maybe up to $15 every single day if you really grind on it. I think you should focus on the downloading offers because that is going to pay the most. And if you combine all of these three, you could be making like $5, maybe $10 to $15 if you're from an English speaking country. If you're not from an English speaking country, I would say you would make like $5 to $7 if you're not. So $5 I would say if you're not from an English speaking countries. So you could range anywhere from $150 up to $600 every single month. But it's not like a lot of money. It's not going to change your income or anything like that. So if you want to check it out, you can go check it out. I have also gone to a third-party app called Trustpilot. Here you can see the reviews of Pawns.app. So it has got almost 5,000 reviews, which is actually pretty impressive if you say for an app that's giving out surveys and games and internet sharing. So they're actually pretty high because this app really pays, and everyone is having like really good reviews with it. And there is also some 1-star review if you look at it, but most of them are due to some tech issues or technical issues. So the customers are actually the customer support is actually pretty good. They are actually replying to them and they are actually solving the problem. So I feel like this app is fantastic because the customer service is good. They are getting a lot of 5-star reviews. Even the 1-star are because of like technical issue. So overall, if you want to check this app out, you could potentially go and try it. It's not like life-changing money or anything like that. It's a little bit money. If you're from an Asian country or if you're not from an English-speaking country, you can get up to $100 to $150 every single month if you like really grind on this app. And if you're from an English speaking country, you could be getting like $300, $400, $500 per month. If you're lucky, maybe $600, but you will have to work a lot of time. So it's going to drain out a lot of your time. So I think you can have a good look at it if you want. So that's basically it for this video of Pawns app. Now if you're still watching this video, if you're looking for a way to make big money online, I'm talking for a way to make $1,000, $5,000, even up to $10,000 per month. If you're looking to make that kind of money, make sure you click the first link in the description. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.